Okay, and welcome. And I know that you're still rolling with laughter from that joke, but it is time to move on. And today, with your sub, Mr. Holzer, you're going to be doing several things. I know you've been cut a little short on time because of the NWEA testing. So the first thing you're going to need to do is in your Canvas module is to download the Introduction to Biology Study Guide and open that up. Mr. Holzer then will proceed to go over that with you. Now, this is a class activity. This means the class is working together, and you guys are going to be trying to answer these things together. Mr. Holzer, being a former biology teacher at Yorktown, will more than know this material, so he will be able to explain things and make sure that you are giving the correct answers. But I want you guys trying to answer these, so he may be calling on you. If you would like to volunteer, that would be even better. Once you have completed that study guide, you're going to need to save that to your biology folder, and that's going to be very helpful to you over the weekend. Okay, if you study this and study this quite well, it'll help you a lot on your first unit test that you will be having next week on Wednesday. Following the study guide, Mr. Holzer is going to play you a short video song over the characteristics of life to help you review those. And then he is going to play or lead you through a game of Kahoots over Introduction to Biology, covering everything we've talked about so far with the characteristics of life, the scientific method, and the compound light microscope. Then, if time is available, he will finish by showing you another video song about the scientific method. Again, you will be having a test next Wednesday. So please look over your study guide, look over your old quizzes. I have set the Kahoot up so that you can replay it over the weekend if you wish, but please be prepared.